Hello guys. Today we're gonna be making a video with my voice in it. That's very rare because earlier because of my other videos, I said, oh, I don't like my voice in it. No, I changed my mind. I'm gonna try it because I think it just makes the videos more entertaining. You know. Um. I don't know if you know this, but okay, yeah, you don't know this, but I try to make a video on checking out people in Warrior Cats using free cam, but the problem is that my microphone was barely hearable, so I had to delete the video. And I don't want to make a video on that anymore because that took me 50 minutes, which is almost an hour. So, yeah, now I might make that in another video because I just don't feel like it. It's 8:31. You can see right here. I don't know if you can hear me very well, so on whatever game I'm gonna play, I'm just gonna turn off the music. I don't know what to play, to be honest. So, I'm just gonna play with my friends, I guess. Yeah, I guess I'll just join them in this. Yeah, I know what this game is. Are they in a private server? Let me just see. No. I'm very bad at this game. That's extremely bad. How loud is it? That's way too loud. Okay, you guys probably did not hear me. That was too loud. I have to find a game that's not loud but not too quiet too. Lethal Ape, that's kinda loud. It's not loud, but it's because of the voices that the guys make. I don't know if I think this Lethal Ape is better right here. This Lethal Ape. Oh man. I don't know what to play. I'm just gonna play Beast Sandbox Simulator. Let's compare. Beast Swarm. Okay, why is it in capitals? Okay, so look. Beast Swarm. What is this thumbnail? Okay, and then we got. No, wrong one. Wait, what? Oh. So you got this. Oh, look, they even got they got a trailer, bro. They got a trailer. Yo, they got a trailer for this. Obtain amulets. Okay, yeah, okay, so this is just Beast Swarm, but, you know, it's what you would expect. I don't know what to play, so I'm just gonna play this. Do I really wanna? This would be boring gameplay. I don't know, dude. Oops. You know what? No, let's not play that. That's gonna be boring. We're not playing this game. I know you want me to because you guys because I know some of you like Jujutsu Kaisen, but no. It's too loud. You guys won't be able to hear me. I would play, but the microphone that I'm using is not the best. When I get a new microphone, sure, we'll play it. But right now, my microphone ain't the best because I bet you guys can barely hear me. So no. We can't play Grace because too loud too. I can't believe I wasted 50 minutes to delete the video, dude. Oh my god. I've made other videos in the past with OBS, which is Henry Stickmin. Dude, I don't know what to make. You know, I have played Tower Creator. Hey, I might play Eternal Towers of Hell. I did promise I would play that eventually. You know what, actually, I kind of promised to make a video on this game, actually. I don't really want to do it. Man, I don't know what to play. Oh boy. So it's either stick to this idea, or I just do this boring gameplay. I'm not calling Beaststorm Simulator boring. Beaststorm Simulator is the GOAT, but like, I feel like the gameplay ain't the best. And I'm not joining this, bro. I genuinely suck at the actual Beaststorm. I've been a porcelain dipper main for the past 2 years. I've made no progress. My quests have made no progress either. So, I'm not gonna, like, do that. Wait, does Beaststorm Simulator have free cam? I wonder. Does it have free cam? That would be pretty cool. I don't think so, because then you would be able to see, like, everything that you're not supposed to see. Okay, yeah, shift gives you, dang it, stop! Shift gives you shift lock, okay. Dude, I just joined. Should I actually do some gameplay in this? You know what, I'm gonna make this video to play some random games using my voice. Let's just start with Beaststorm. So as you can see, this is my pretty trash loadout here. So I got a bear. Yo, calm down. So I got a bear here called Green, based off race. Yeah. I'm a red hive. As you can see, I'm a red hive. Yes, I'm a red hive. And I have the porcelain thingy. I have everything porcelain. Yeah, so it's not that much. I'm pretty broke, so I'm gonna go into the pepper patch because I'm a red hive main. And no, I've never defeated the coconut crab. My bees are way too weak for him. Weak. Alright, let's go here. Dude, I'm out. Dude, this loadout is beefy. Yes, I have tactical bees. Okay, I'm a bleach hive. Okay, I'm a bleach hive. But I want to be a red hive. Be all you want. coconuts. Let's do like. Okay, I only have one coconut. Let me just donate this because I have like 200. Okay, dude. How many stingers do I have? I'm curious. Wait, I'm actually so close to a vicious bee. Should I get vicious bee? Hold on, how many tickets do I have? One ticket. Never mind. One ticket is insane. 100 tickets? 10 stingers, dude. Come on, I know stinger, like, come on, why? Dude, I'm so close to a vicious bee, though. You know, I wish I could get a vicious bee, like, right now. Maybe King Beetle will do that for me. Are you getting juked right now? Yo, you just got juked, King Beetle. You're the king, bro. You're the king. Sure, why not? I'm just gonna get the new one because I don't care. King Beetle ambulance are trash. He dropped nothing, bro. Okay, we're gonna get Steve. Should I try to get? I'm gonna try to get to the man. I've never done it, but like, I'll try. Okay, guys, prepare. Boom! Fat Bear is here. And you guys are doing good. Come on, bro, do something. You guys are doing good. You guys are not doing Okay, wait, I might actually kill Tom. I might kill Tom. Wait, am I gonna kill Tom? Oh, please, I wanna kill Tom Bear. I've never killed him. Oh, please, he's so low. Yes. He's on 1,000 health. If I don't kill him, I'm gonna do something bad to Tom Bear. Something mean. Okay, wait. I might actually kill him. I think I'm gonna kill him, dude. Say goodnight, Tunnel Bear. Any second now. Yeah, finally, I finally killed him after so long. After so many years, he's dead. Finally, bro, he's dead for once. But no stingers. Yeah, dude, no stingers. That's it. Hurry up, bees. I don't have all day. Can you get stingers from the ant challenge? No, you can't. You can enter from here. Right? I don't know why I'm going in here because I know I cannot afford this. Yeah, 5 billion, honey, bro. No. Oof. Okay. I'm just gonna go to the modded version because like you get the point. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, this game I'm really hot. Stick button. Yeah, I'm a little bit stacked. I have a giant balloon. Oh my god. What I think is cool about this game is that there's like custom sprinklers. There's like red sprinklers. Okay, let me just go here. Yoink. Okay, now, so the blue sprinkler, it does what it's supposed to, like that, but it also is like spawns bubbles, which is pretty cool. Yo, bees, why? In 2 seconds. Okay, let me just go crazy real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, it's this one. I might switch back to a red hive, but I don't know. By the looks of it, a blue hive is pretty fun. Do I have a Bumblebee quest? No. I should go get Okay, let me just go down here. Dude, 100 quests is just crazy work. Okay. Brave Bolt Blue. I don't care, Bucklebee. Clean up. Okay, this quest is easy, bro. This quest is easy. Okay, so we want goo. Okay, yeah. I'm collecting goo from the blue flower field. Oh yeah, I'm collecting goo. It's goo, right? Wait, what you mean? Wait, bro, what does that mean? I'm collecting goo, right? Okay, what? Bucklebee, your quest is a little weird. Okay, can I? Oh my god, are you serious? That's exactly why my storage was full, dude. If only I why not just keep the gumdrops going? It's not like I'm ever gonna run out of gumdrops anyway. Very good sound effects, right, guys? And the quest is finished. That was easy. That was easy. Yeah, I think the old idea was better. You guys don't know how deep the old one. Bro, last video that I was trying to make, there was like a whole pack of cats moving at the same time. You guys missed out. If only my let's do that. But instead, I'm just gonna play some random games that I think I should play for you guys. Yeah. Yo, I'm getting so much honey from Wowie. That's 5 billion honey from Wowie, bro. 5 billion. Yeah, that's 5 billion. Is that actually 5 billion? Dang, I'm getting rich. I'm getting 900 million honey. 1 billion honey per second. 900,000. Okay, Popstar is easy because I just have to pop as many balloons as possible. No way most of my boosts just ran out. Unacceptable. Hey, it's daytime. We ain't gonna have that. Where's the night bell? I need some frogs. Drink super smoothie. Enzymes, oil, glue, glitter, blue extract, red extract. Okay, we're good. I gotta keep this up because Popstar's about to expire. And Popstar's just okay, wait. Capacity's full. 24 billion honey from the moon. Yo! Talk about getting rich. Rich boy. I bet all you guys can see right now is just bubbles and chaos. Because that's all I can see. Dude, my storage is getting full so fast. 14 billion honey per second. Yo, that is insane. 1 billion pollen per second. And I already got a pop star. I'm about to reach 1 trillion honey again. No, that's 1. I'm better. Dude, I'm gonna reach 1 quadrillion honey. It said 10 billion honey per second. Oh, it's decreasing. No, it can't be decreasing. 4 billion pollen per second. Okay, we're back to 12 million honey per second. Dude, look at my capacity. Look how fast it is. 20 billion honey. Yo, my capacity is insane. Oh my god, look at that. Yo, I'm actually about to hit 1 quadrillion honey. I'm about to reach 1 quadrillion honey. 1 quadrillion honey. Woo, yeah. 1 quadrillion honey is crazy. I know I had tons of honey, but like, it still took me a while to get because I bought the timer. Oh boy, Oh, he bought the typo. Yeah, I just used my I'm not getting one card. I'm not getting two cards. That's gonna take so long. Dude, my capacity is so This is crazy. If this happened in a real game, this would be insane. This is not. I mean, this could happen, but like, this is just like, this is insane. How many bees do I have? 100 bees. Okay, yeah, that's not realistic. 100 bees. I bought so many bees that it started to become 100 per episode. But then I ran out of storage. I'm gonna just fill up my capacity and I'm gonna check how big my balloon is and it's 27 minutes, okay, not bad. Okay, look, I got a I have 10 billion pollen per second. 10 billion pollen per second. Okay, let me finish this pop star before I try something. Yo, look at this. Capacity's full again. Okay, guys, that was Bee Swarm Simulator modded and actual Bee Swarm Simulator. Wait, there's a guiding star here. It gave me no capacity. That's how blue of a hive I. That's how blue a hive is. That's how blue it is. The guiding star did nothing. That's how blue my hive is. Okay, how big is that? 250 billion! And it's still going. How many balloons are left? Dude, there's just balloons flying from the pine tree forest. Oh, okay, that's it. Okay, this balloon should come in. Look at that skinny little balloon. That's gonna do nothing. Look at that skinny little balloon. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna, see, look at this person. They're a bed hive, and look at how small their balloon is. That's the power of being a blue hive. Make honey. Dude, my blessing is 54. Bro, what's that gonna do? It's so small, it didn't even do anything. Yo. Okay, let me just do this. What should I do now? Yo, what are y'all doing? Go get back up. Get back up. Start. Hey, you better get up, bro. No. Stop sleeping. Stop sleeping on the job. Okay, whatever. You guys be like that. You be like that. Okay, before I leave, ooh, there's tons of vicious bees in here. Thank you, bees. You took forever. Okay. Let's just do this. Let's just do this. Let's see how fast. Let's see how fast the vicious bees are. Let's just see Look at my capacity in the red field, and it just remember my capacity in the blue field. 658 million, right? But then if I go to the pine tree forest, 6 billion. Like, bro, what? You know, let me just 7 billion capacity? Bet. Advantage. Alright, I'm gonna get to full capacity, then we're gonna go to a different game. 7 billion capacity is crazy. So, okay, we're just gonna do this and then we're gonna go to a different game. Okay, it's decreasing this. 7 billion capacity. So my strategy is just go over here and then go back and forth, spamming the button, type power to just spam waves, and then the waves just take over. 10 billion capacity. 15 billion capacity. Yeah, the capacity is insane. And I'm gonna go to the Buckaloo cost in a minute. Let's just do some jelly bean. Okay, capacity is getting higher. That's good to know. Okay. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Okay, something like that was just chaos. That just okay. That's 1 quadrillion honey. Is that? It is. Yeah, that is 1 quadrillion honey. Already reached my max capacity. Yeah. Okay, let me just go turn on the Buckaloo quest. Look how big my balloon is already now. That is crazy work. But oh, Buckaloo, have your quest ready? Let me just shove it in your face real quick. Thank you, 10 million honey. That's nothing. That's not good enough. Dear God, look at how big. Dude, the balloons that are coming are huge. We're already at 207 billion. At least my bees convert at like the speed of light. No more balloons, that's too much. Okay, we're done with Bee Swarm. Well, I'm gonna play one more game and then we're done. Cause last video was 50 minutes. And I think that was too much. So how much time are we at? What are we looking at? 34 minutes. Ooh, we'll try playing that. Let me see. Oh yeah, and Doors released the archives. I'm not a big fan of Doors, but I still like Doors, you know. Maybe next video I can play the archives. I don't know. Archives? No, it's like 9:05. That's gonna take too long. I don't know what to play. Maybe I should play Cat Pound. No. Untitled Tag Game? Ooh, nah. Obby Creator, I feel like it's a good game, but like for the people watching, it might just be boring gameplay. What are you playing? World 107? Oh, it's Obby, but you're on a bike. Carnation Send. Of course, they're playing Forsaken. Oh, man. I mean, it's not a bad game, but like, hey. Grow a Colony? Okay, I don't know what that is. Cabin crew. Okay, no. Weird bio. Wait, what is this? Oh man, I have to pee so bad. I'm gonna hold it in until we find a game. Once I find the game, I won't pee because I'm gonna play the game before I pee. Just for you guys, remember that. Ooh, no. There is nothing good, man. I'm just gonna check the recommended for you. You know, what games do I have on my desktop? Oh, okay, so we got all these. No. Okay, let's just go back here. Okay, guys, well, I have sad news. That's it for today's video. All I really played was Beast Swarm and Beast Sandboxing. You know, maybe tomorrow I'll try to make the Warrior Cats game video again. For now, that's all I'm gonna do because I don't know what else to play. Yeah, it's just a boring video compared to this game. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you even heard my voice because I hope I'm talking loud enough right now. Anyways, yeah. Bye, guys. I hope that I'm gonna watch this video again to see if the audio is good. If it's not good, then I'm never gonna post a video with my voice until I get a good microphone. If this is posted, that means my microphone is good for now. If this doesn't get posted, then well, if it's not posted, then you're not gonna see this. But if this was not posted, then then you will not see me for like, I don't know, like 2 years or something. You will not see a video like this for 2 years. I bet you. But I don't know. Anyways, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed. It's like half an hour, 38 minutes. That's not as bad as 50 minutes. But I mean, tomorrow's a Saturday, so I don't have school, so I should have a lot of time to make a video, so that's good. So yeah, goodbye guys. See you tomorrow. Maybe if I want to make a video, I don't know, it depends. But yeah, let me just, where's the button? Okay. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to share this with your friends, if they like Beast Storm Simulator or something, I don't know, go ahead and share with them. Share with friends and family to aware them about this very small content creator that they're trying to post good content. And yes, I'm trying my fullest best. Grr! Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, guys. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Also, I just want to let you know, I will usually post on Saturdays or Sundays these types of videos because on Mondays, like the weekday, I come out of school and like I wouldn't have enough time. Wednesday probably because I get out like 12:30 or something, which is like good. But like for the other times, like Saturday and Sunday, I'm good. I can post shorts on like the weekend, like the weekdays, but like I can't really post long form videos. So I'll post these types of videos every Saturday and Sunday, maybe Wednesday. For the weekdays, I'll just be posting shorts if I feel like it. Yeah, just letting you know about that schedule. So if you're wondering, hey, post a long form video. It's been a while. It's been like a whole like week. Well, now you know because I just told you. So if you're ever gonna get angry at my schedule, well, that's just too bad. Just blame it on my school. It's not my fault. Blame it on the school. It's the school's fault. It's the school's schedule fault, okay? It's not my fault. It's the school. Okay, I know I've done a lot of yapping. I like talking a lot because I feel like talking is cool, yeah? But like, okay, I'm just gonna stop stalling it in the video because like I've been talking. This video would have been 30 minutes, but I'm talking too much and that's 40 minutes. Yeah, I should just end it now. Yeah, I should end it. Okay. It's just a random Beast Storm Simulator video, but yeah. Goodbye, guys. Have a great night, day. Have a great day or a great night or a great afternoon or a great dinner, lunch, breakfast, I don't know. Wherever you're watching this, have a good whatever you're doing. And may God bless you. Goodbye, sir. Goodbye, sir, ma'am. Ooh, that felt good.